Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Eat It Anywhere. Today we are making Little Buff Proteins Cocoa Crave. So grab your apron, I've got mine, and let's get cooking. So in this little 5x8 container, I'm gonna mix in the protein mix, half a cup of applesauce, 1 egg white, and then 2 teaspoons of almond milk. Now just mix this up. Here's our batter, now stick it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. Hot, 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 hot. While that cools, let's make the icing. All right, so we have 7 grams of vanilla protein powder, 2 teaspoons of almond milk, 45 grams of reduced fat cream cheese, 30 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, and then 2 tablespoons of Stevia. Now just mix this all together. All right, so here is our icing, and this recipe is from Sarah Lynn. Now I just have to ice it. So here's what it looks like. Oh, can't forget the sprinkles. It might not be the prettiest thing in the world, but let's give it a try. Ready? Not bad for a low-calorie, high-protein cake. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it, comment, let me know what you think. And thanks for watching.